3, 2, 1. Alrighty guys, so in today's video it's going to be a short little kind of informational thing here. We're going to have Scully try to start his 4-stroke Cowie 250. And basically what we're going to do is just show you the correct way of starting it so it doesn't take you like 25 freaking kicks later. Because sometimes some bikes are different than others. I know we had a YZ 250 and mine, what I would do to start it, I would do the exact same strokes that he's going to show you on the Kickstarter, but I would pump my throttle a couple times so it would actually shoot some gas in the intake. Because most of these motocross bikes have an accelerator pump, so when you hit the throttle you're actually shooting gas into the cylinder.
But this one's got voice and quick shot, so it gives a gnarly shot of gas. So.
Exactly. So what he's going to do is just kind of show you what to actually do when you're trying to kick it over, instead of just getting on it and kicking it right away.
So you just go slow. And then you'll feel it grab hard.
So what you're doing is you're trying to find top dead center, and then once you get there you're just going to give it one good hard kick. And then the slow pumps like that actually draws the fuel and air from the carb, so you got a fresh charge of fuel and air right in the cylinder right away. Usually it's 1 and 2 kicks. Like I said, some bikes might have to blip the throttle a few times.
Yeah, and then when it's hot, I hold the hot start, and usually like 1 to 2 kicks the same thing as start.
Exactly, yeah. But this is definitely for like Cowies, YZ 250s. I've never had an RMZ, so I don't know how they work, but if you follow that for 4 strokes especially, just getting them at top dead center is pretty important. They might start, you know, just kicking it normally, but yeah. I know for a fact through my experiences that that does work really well.
Especially on car bikes. The EFI bikes, usually you can just kick them.
Right. Yeah, if you have EFI, you'd probably be all right, but these old car bikes up to like 2010, 2009, so. Yeah, we won't get his plate in here, but yeah, this is Horse's F-150 with a nice Roush exhaust. We call it the mail truck. Freaking Ripski.
That's not what I wanted to do.
That sun glare though.
Looking pretty brave already.
Right?
That is like 3rd or 2nd. What is that car just doing?
Right?
Sitting there?
There's just a car chilling down there. I love that sound. That's just hard on the throttle every gear.
Yeah. Is he using the clutch?
I think he's clutch dumping it. I think.
Yeah.
Because he said it like, for some reason, I don't know if he doesn't like. It's so touchy that when he hits it without clutch dumping it, it just pulls up like crazy. And he said he can't do it in the grass because he gets so much wheel spin. So he's got to do it on the road, and I'm like, oh, it's so dangerous. You freaking loop it on the road. So tell me your thoughts after that rip, sir.
I'm a pussy.
You're a pussy? Nah, you did good. I mean, I definitely wouldn't be able to get the front end up past like 9 o'clock, so. She started like 1 kick like she always does, though. I don't know, did we do that 450 the same way? I think I did the same thing, and I got it to start right away, like 1, 2 kicks. Yeah. So like top dead center is like the way to go on these 4 strokes. 2 strokes, I mean the big ones, they like the same thing if you get them at top dead center. Compression stroke at least. But I would say 4 strokes especially, try to follow that. And you don't have to waste your time, you know, kicking it, flooding it. But you got to kind of compensate, you know, you got to figure out your bike too, you know. Some of them like getting, like, if the choke is pulled. Some of them like where you just shoot a few pumps of gas in it. Like I said, my YZ, my 02, definitely like that. That too. And if your bike is properly jetted, it's going to start, you know, like this one here is jetted correctly, one kick. If your bike's not jetted right, it might not start on the first couple kicks, you know. If you're trying to ride it in super cold weather, you know, super hot weather, vice versa. So, yeah, we'll try to get some more riding clips of the Cowie soon, you know. Yeah, try a hot start too. We'll do a hot start for you. This is the Cowie hot start lever. Some of them have some underneath the bar. I'm not sure the other ones. There's no put. It's usually always a lever of some kind. So we'll try to get a hot start, and then that'll be the end of the video.
I slow kick it with the hot start hold.
Yep.
Oops, I didn't give her a good.
Ooh. That was alright. That was like 3 kicks. Alright guys, so we're going to add this extra bonus clip in the video. It's going to be the Chevy Cavalier, completely riced out, Sparky driving, against Kaleeb on the KX250F. We're going to see what happens. See what's going on here. Three, 2, 1. Oh! He conked out. Dang, we feel like a douche.
He's coming back.
Is he coming back for round 2? How'd you conk it?
Caleb.
I can't believe he flunked it out right away. Oh my god. I think we're gonna do a rerun. Mint. Oh shit. Alright guys, this is the legit race this time. We had some technical difficulties. Somebody conked out. You got a car behind you. 3, 2, 1.